Hello, my wife and I spent a night in Baler. There's a beautiful hotel there. We'll give you the phone number and just in our description and the rates and all that. And we'll be right back to show you the video. Okay, we're back. We're at the Seacoast Resort in Baler, Aurora, Philippines. This is the place that we're staying at. It's gated. They have a guard check. Okay, let's go upstairs, honey. Oh, there's a volleyball set over there, complete with sand. We'll take a tour upstairs and show you the rooms. What, honey? Oh, there's our car, the red car, and my wife's daughter's van. Okay, let's go upstairs and show them the room. Here's the main office. This is my favorite part, going upstairs. Whoa, whoa. How many steps, honey?
I counted it yesterday. 19 steps.
19 steps?
Yeah.
Okay, they do have Wi-Fi here. And they got a nice little patio set out here.
Sun.
Yeah. And here's one of the rooms our daughter's in. Let's go to our room and open the door. Yeah. Okay, let's show them our room, honey.
And the kids' room. Here.
Ah. Okay. Family size. Got aircon. The old style.
I think this is
Let's show them our room.
Cyrus' room.
Oh, that's Zyra's room?
Yeah.
Okay, let's show them our room.
Kids' room. And
We got chairs outside here.
here is our room.
Okay, let's walk in. We spent the night here already, so excuse the mess. Ah, aircon. Feels so good here. There's a bed there for somebody. Now here's the CR. I was surprised to see a urinal in here. It's very up to date. There's a sink and a mirror and everything. Now, I was surprised. I took a shower this morning. Let me show you
Hi.
the water heater.
Towel up there.
That is neat. That works so good. They should do that in the States. Instead of keep hot water heating all the time, waste energy.
I did not use that last night because it's too hot.
Oh, it's too hot? Well, you just adjust it right there and temperature. It worked really good. We're going to get one in our house. Okay, let's continue. They call this a transient house.
Hello, honey.
Or transient hotel? What do they call it?
Hotel.
Huh?
Hotel.
Hotel. Anyhow, here's a sliding door. You know, if you want privacy, there's another bed. And
Here's our bed.
yeah, doing good. And another aircon. You can see the aircon there, aircon here. And they got ceiling fans, which I love. We're going to get them in our house. ceiling fans. Very nice. And they got big screen TV. Lots of channels, but only one or two English channel ones. Now what I like about this room, oh, here's another bed. Is that out the window, we can see right down to our car. Okay. All right. Here, you take the camera. You take them downstairs. You show them the cooking room.
Okay, we go. We go down. Okay.
You show them where you cook food downstairs in the pool, and here, you take the camera, honey. You take the camera. You show them where you cook food and the pool.
And now going down.
Okay.
Here is another room for the kids. We got 7 rooms, I guess. We got 7 rooms. The room of Siderin is out there.
Yeah, very up to date. It's nice.
Now
You
we-
got good steps. They're all equal. They're not like in
3, 4,
other places. Or
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
there's rooms
10.
down here too.
11. Yeah, there are rooms down there also.
Okay.
Going down there.
All right. You show them the cooking area.
And
Ayun, mama ko na. Mandangan nakita ka italaw niya sila yung ina ko.
yeah,
Yung magatangay na nabir.
that yeah. Okay, so
Continue. Come on.
and here is the
Cooking area.
cooking area.
That
Mess.
everybody uses.
Yeah, this is only one cooking area.
Over here at
And,
the pool.
Oops.
Hey, say hello.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. That's Tyra, my wife.
And there is also a swimming pool here. Granddaughter. Granddaughters are swimming.
Over by the van, honey.
Yep. Hey, Nona. Say hi. Hi. Careful. And there is a cute cottage here. Tignan mo, Ading. Nona! Careful! Swimming pool is here. Tignan mo si Ading. Ha? What's this? You gonna, Nona? You gonna with Mama Anjun? And there is another building there. Madi. Madi. And there, Alan is there.
Everybody dying to eat.
Yeah.
Keep coming around.
And here is the counter.
Honey. Get music, come on.
Where? Madina. Ayaw niya. Oh,
Okay,
kids are here already.
and we go back around the circle again, and we're back to the volleyball court.
Court also.
There's the volleyball court, and there, that round window up there is where we stay. Okay. Also, they have rooms here and chairs. Okay. And what
Sun
else?
is there.
Our family's back from the ocean.
Come back.
They're taking surfing lessons, which we have in another video.
It's too hot.
Yeah, right now it's very hot. Okay, honey. Say bye-bye, and we'll come back.